You'll find a full materials list in the caption below, including a link to the photo printer that I used. Now, when it comes to the art, I found these pieces through the open access program by the Met. They download for free at high res, and all you need to do is resize and print. I tested 2 different types of paper. The first was a matte photo paper, and the other was a basic white cardstock. Here's a side-by-side, but you can see that the photo paper printed more of the details in the art. The color was even richer, even though I used the same printer. So I printed all of my art on the photo paper. While you can just print the art and frame it and be done with this project, there's actually a way to make the prints look more like real paintings. And all you need is Mod Podge. Start by applying a base coat with a wide brush. Once that dries, go back in with a small brush to give your piece brush strokes. It helps to follow the lines and the movement of the art just how you think the painter might have done. Let that dry fully. I let mine dry overnight, and then you can trim the paper to size. I left a slight border around mine. This doesn't have to be exact since it will be covered by the mat. To put everything together, you'll need to secure your art in place on the mat. I used washi tape, but you can use whatever you have on hand. My trick is to put the piece of tape with the tape facing up so you can see exactly where the mat is going to go. My tip for you is to start looking for frames at the thrift store now. I'm always on the hunt for gold frames, and I can usually find them for about $1 or $2. I decided to remove the glass from the frame so that the texture of the Mod Podge would be visible. Overall, I think I was able to make this entire gallery wall for about $25, which makes it the perfect Halloween DIY. You can also just reuse frames you already have to cut back on cost even a bit more. There are so many good creepy art options in open access. Half the fun is just looking for something. The pieces that I used were from the Italian Renaissance era if you need help getting started. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy Halloween!